Hi, I'm Yaswanth. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will quickly share a Canva tutorial. So we all know Canva is a very popular designing app. Freelancers use it, content designers use it. Of course, every individual needs it for their personal use or for business use or for their job purpose. But not many of us are aware of how to use Canva. But Canva is really a simple tool. Trust me, you don't need to spend so much time like how you did for Adobe or other softwares. Canva is a very simple tool. In this video, I will quickly design a thumbnail in Canva step by step, and I will also show you the process and different elements involved in Canva so that you will understand how to design something in Canva. So if you can see, I will design a YouTube thumbnail in Canva now. If you can open the Canva homepage, you will see many things: whiteboard, YouTube thumbnail, YouTube banner. You can literally design anything here, Instagram post or something. So you will also find ready-made templates, but I want to start it from scratch. So if you can select YouTube thumbnail, you will get many templates out there. If you can see in the left side, there will many templates. You can just select them and change the pictures and text to do that. But I want to show how I design thumbnails and how you can do from scratch. If you want to design from scratch, then this video will be helpful for you. First of all, like this is the page. When you click on this, you have the chance to select a background image. But how to do that? Let's see in the left section, you will see many things: text. You will see many things like templates, elements, uploads, text, photos, and all. So let me select a photo. So here you can select some copyright free images. So let's suppose like I want to design a thumbnail for like let's design it for a video for the same video. So this video is all about Canva tutorial, right? So I will design the same for it. Let's select an image with the name design. So I want images related to design. I'm just selecting it. See, I have got many things here. Let me select one. I want something specific. Let's suppose design colorful. So I want a colorful design. So search this. I have got many. This looks good. So I'm selecting this. You can make it as background. So this is a background image now. So I'm ready. But I want something on top of it. There is an option called elements here. Under elements, you will see shapes. So I'm selecting this shape. You can drag and drop. You can move it. You can do anything you want with the shapes. So, and I want the color to be, let's say, black. Now, but what's the purpose of background image? So I also want to show the background image. So there is an option here called transparency. I'm reducing it so that we will be able to see the design in the background. Now our background is ready. So I want my picture on top because I'm designing a thumbnail. So you can directly upload an image from your gallery, but I have already uploaded many images. So let me use one. So I'm using this image, and I want to remove these backgrounds. There is an option called edit image. Under edit image, there is a background remover thing. So if I select that, I'm able to get this. Let me fit it here. And I want some effect. Like if you see YouTube thumbnail, you will see white outline for all the images. So I want similar effect. There is an option called shadows here, if you can see. And I'm selecting glow. And I want white color, a thick size, and the transparency should be 100. Let me decrease the size a bit. Yeah. So my image is ready now. But now I want to design a thumbnail with the title Canva tutorial or quick Canva tutorial. So this is the title. Let's go to elements tab again and search for Canva. Of course, I'm searching about Canva in Canva, but you can also get many logos here. Or if you fail to get any logos or images here, you can directly download from open source apps like Freepik, Pixabay. There were many, but yeah, as it's a Canva app, so we will find Canva logos easily. So I'm selecting one logo, and I want it to be a little big. Now I need a text. It show quick Canva tutorial. So select a text and you will see many templates here, but like I want to select something from scratch. Let's write some like a quick Canva tutorial. So this is the title that I want for this. It was not done yet because I don't like this font. So I want to change the font. Top, you can see, you will find many fonts here. Let's pick Anton. I'm selecting this font called Anton, and you can also decrease the space between lines. And I want to increase the space between letters. Let me decrease it a bit. Let me play with colors. So I want to change the color of Canva keyboard. Let's use something which is similar to Canva, but make sure it matches the background color. I think it's okay, but I'm still not satisfied. So use some effects. There were many effects out there. I'm using an effect called echo. It makes the text a little bit dark. So that's the reason why I'm using it. Can play around with all these things. Let me darken the background a bit. So I will increase the transparency. The background is now, that's fine. But I want to do something else to this. I will copy this text and I want to put a title like design a thumbnail in 5 minutes. So this is the thing that I'm going to use now on the top. So I'm writing this text. It would be good if it has some background and it should fit here. Or let me increase the size a bit. I'm not creating this video like how I create all other videos because I want it to be completely natural. So that's the reason why I'm recording all the stuff that I do. So I'm not just cutting the clips and all. Yeah, this is good, but let select elements again. And in the elements, you will get shapes. So let's select the shape. But let's change the colors, background, or let's put the white background and change the text to black or the blue of the Canva. And this effect, I don't want this effect now. None. So I'm using no. I'm not satisfied with the color still. Maybe what if I can change the font a bit? No, there were many fonts out there. You can go and check it out. But I want something which is dark. Go back to Anton only. But what if I can change? Okay, let's put it to black. Maybe black will fits well here. It's fine now. I don't have to add any background. I'm somehow not satisfied with the background. So let's see other backgrounds if possible. Design colorful Canva. We can use any stuff here. It gives us the matching one. Let's put this. How about putting the Canva style thing? I think it's better now. I think it makes sense now because the background is something which is matching with the Canva logo. My thumbnail is done now. I'm going to use the same thumbnail for this video. So please let me know what is the other thing that you want me to do so that in the next video I will do that. So it might be Instagram post, it might be creating a logo in Canva, it might be editing a video in Canva. So whatever it might be, but I hope you understand this. I hope you learn something from this video. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel if you are a new visitor. Thank you for watching.